From the uplands to the coast, agriculture sustains Iligan.
In the city of majestic waterfalls, life flows. Beyond the rivers, it flows through our land, our food, and our people.
Good morning sa tanan. Ako si Lermy Saicon, anak sa usa ka rice farmer sa Diglan, Iligan City nga si Rinanti Saicon. Ako proud kayo nga usa ka anak sa farmer kay napahuman ko niya og eskwela bisan tuod sa kalisod apan sa pagpaningkamot niya, pagtanom niya og humay na pag-graduate ko niya as a agriculturist. Ako karon isa ka registered agriculturist na. Then daghan ko mga nagian nga kalisod kanang gidegrade nila ang farming, gidegrade nila ang agriculture kay kuno tanom-tanom lang. Pero dira makakuha ka kwarta sa agriculture. Even mahugaw ka, init kayo, bulad ka sa init, pero ang tanang kahago nimo pag mo boom na or mo makakuha na ka yield sa imong gitanom, dira makatabang na sa atong mga sa kinabuhi, sa daily lives nato, sa atong financial. Ang agriculture, ang farming, maoy nagpakaon sa mga tao. Busag yawag nako ang mga youth, sama nako karon na dili lang nato i-mind ang farming. Atong buhaton, we learn by doing, fun, kay kani siya makatabang sa atong life.
4-H Club youth members help advance agriculture by promoting new technologies like hydroponics and empowering farmers with innovative farming ideas.
Sa barangay Kikilaan. So sir, unsa ni nga method sa pagtanom yung gamit diri sir sa imong lettuce?
So among method diri is hydroponics NFT na system,
Ito lang NFT sir.
nutrient film technique.
Okay.
So ang iyang kuan murag mo agira ang tubig sa iyang bottom,
Okay.
then ang tubig na ay mga nutrients to feed the lettuce.
So usually sir, pila ka days before ma-harvest ang lettuce?
From sowing to harvest usually nasa 40 to 45 days.
40 to 45.
So ma-harvest na siya.
So unsa pa yung murag usually ng mga problema sa lettuce sir?
So karon ang usually problema sa lettuce is ma-atake na siya mga fungus, mga mananap. So that's why mo ni siya naka-greenhouse yun ni siya para to avoid na makasulod ang mga insects. So isa sa mga kwan is ang fungus food, which is why that's why na once a month gakuan mi diri ga-sanitize mi sa among greenhouse to para dili jud siya ma-attack og kanang mga fungus na. Kay once na mabutangan sa fungus is isod na kay siya i-control.
Beyond tribal culture in Iligan City, diverse farming connects land, water, and life. In this time of crisis, our fisher folk and farmers are among the hardest hit. Rising fuel costs for power and energy continue to threaten their livelihoods and the well-being of their families. The Department of Agriculture, ADI, LGS, and partner organizations stand as strong pillars, working together to protect livelihoods, empower farmers and fishermen, and ensure sustainable opportunities for generations to come. Our 4-H Club youth member is not just for having organization, but it helps our community empower young individuals. And the 4-H stands for head, heart, hand, and health. Our youth continue to grow, connect, and make change in our community that leads great future. Leaders uplift young farmers to be effective, and not just empowered, but learning by doing every step. Be part of the 4-H Club today and take your first step toward becoming a catalyst for meaningful change in our country. The 4-H Club is more than just an organization. It is a movement that empowers young people to lead, serve, and grow with purpose. By joining, you become part of a community that nurtures leadership, builds skills, and inspires innovation in agriculture, entrepreneurship, and community development. One action, one project, and one community at a time. Your journey toward a better life and a better country starts here.